This is the world's first robot vacuum and mop that's perfect for anyone who hates dirt. The vacuum is powerful enough to take up all the surface debris. Then to start mopping, you just fill up the clean water bin, return it to the base station, and then snap in the magnetic mopping pads. These mimic how a human mops, and the robot can tell when they get dirty and will return to the base station to clean them. It's ideal for anyone who hates cleaning and for people who are too busy to wash their floors.
Ladies, Amazon haul.
But I did some shopping on Amazon, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So first off, we got this. I've been really into working out, and from now on, I'm only buying workout sets on Amazon because they're bomb.
Gymshark who?
Everything will be linked in my bio, so just go check out my Amazon storefront if you want to shop the deets of these outfits. So I got this. This is a shorts 2-piece. I'm in love with it. Well, it looks like I got abs, but yeah. So cute, definitely recommend. And I'm gonna go shower and then I'm gonna try on the rest of the stuff since I just actually wore this to the gym because it's actually breathable. So I'll be right back. So I have a bit of a 2-in-1. I got this 888 angel number necklace because 8's my favorite number. I got this little white top. I don't have many tops, so I thought this was a really cute investment. I'll put the prices here when I look them up, but like I said, everything's linked. Once I'm fully vaccinated, I will be wearing this out. This is so cute. Isn't she cute?
3 eco-friendly products for your kitchen. This non-toxic solid dishwashing soap cleans and lathers well. I even got a wall soap holder for it. Take the magnet cap and push it into your soap and then stick the mount to the wall. Now you have a secure place for your bar soap. Instead of using plastic wrap, try using beeswax wrap. They stick on nicely and you can wash with soap and water to reuse. And lastly, use less of your paper towels by using Swedish dishcloths. Everything is linked for you in my profile.
Amazon Kitchen Favorites. If you love peanut or almond butter, you'll love this stir that mixes top, middle, bottom, and sides of your peanut butter in one easy motion. It also comes with a scraper to easily clean your gadget once you're done using. This tool lets you thinly slice onions, meat, tomatoes, potatoes, and heads of lettuce, and it's dishwasher safe. This oil mister ensures you control your oil when you're cooking, baking, or grilling. You can put any type of oil in this device. Link in bio to shop all products you see in today's video.
Stuff you actually need, part 117.
This is my intelligent neck massager that I found on Amazon. And I really like this thing too.
The connected electrodes on the back just help you get that deep tissue massage, and then there's also a heat setting that's just perfect after a long day.
The best part is the magnetized remote, so if you really want to relax, then you can.
Today we have 2 different cable management products, including this cable raceway, which comes with mounting tape, as well as this cord box, which comes in 2 different sizes. Here's the before shot of the cables under my desk. I know, it's extremely messy, that's why we got these products. The cable raceway is about 8 feet long, and I wanted to put 2 of them under my desk to keep all of my cords hidden away before the surge protector. Then I set up this cord box, which easily fits my large surge protector and all the cords right inside of it. Once it was all hidden away nicely, I was also able to sweep up the final dust that was under all the cords. Look how much cleaner this setup is now. It's amazing.
Amazon gadgets you need. This portable charger is so handy to have, especially when you're on the go and need to charge your phone. Plug it directly into your phone or iPad for an instant charge. So cute and compact and fits perfectly into your purse.
TikTok made me buy it. This rotating snack tray is perfect to store your treats in. It has 10 different compartments and even a place to hold your phone. This is the perfect movie night gadget. You can watch a movie on your phone and enjoy the snacks.
Amazon Car Favorites Part 6. If you need help reaching the top of your car, this brilliant door step is for you. All you do is open one of your doors, hook it up, and that's it. It's incredibly stable and I'm easily able to fit both feet on it.